Oh, it's like, he can't even believe I'm going to do this.
So, sorry for the interruption there, folks.
What, you know what the weight was? 33.3.
All right, Jim, pay attention.
Nice. That's a monster.
And
Hey,
33.5 pound steelhead?
Navy guy, he
No talking.
he
Just
caught
look
one.
at
He caught one at 33.13.
Wow.
And
What was it?
I
33 what?
13 and 33.3. 33.3 is mine. Yeah. That was back in the early 70s. I'm not going to save them, okay?
Just shut the fuck up. I ain't even going to go down.
Oh, okay. I'm glad I didn't make that bet. That's a smart move. I thought you were just gonna walk. I thought you were just gonna walk out there.
Oh, fuck no. Fuck, look at my legs flip right under me. I want to get to that point because I'll catch the fish over there. All right, no phones or lighters in my pocket. Keys. Don't want to lose those in the river. Joel's going to be here at 8:15.
Okay.
Half hour.
Do you have a gaff hook? A hook?
I got my drink. Good to go.
Do you have a gaff hook? A gaff?
What?
A gaff.
I don't know what the fuck a gaff is, okay?
You never seen a gaff before?
Fuck you.
Well,
It's got a big hook on it, on a stick.
Oh, see, as Indian, you want to attach this gaff onto a big limb,
Yeah.
and we'll catch you floating down the river.
Yeah, that's to save your life, not to catch a fish.
I ain't gonna be floating down the river, okay? So,
And the public will...
you know why I'm doing this, Jim? Because I don't want to get wet. You dumbass.
But the thing is, okay, and he strapped in, I got mistaken for handicap,
This is
and
gonna go
I'm
40
not
most
saving him, and, you know, the
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
Oh, look at those guys, they're standing there, not doing anything with a handicap.
I think this is crazy. Absolutely crazy.
This is nothing.
Okay.
Nothing. Just another Monday. Just another Monday in Parksville.
I know, right?
Yeah. Every time, eh?
Fuck, I'm not even fucking drunk.
Every fucking. I think you're a little buzzy.
Oh yeah, he is.
Little buzzy.
Oh yeah.
As soon as he says you don't think, you know he is.
Oh yeah, I know him. I know his new move.
Leave that JD keeps giving me.
You give him one beer.
It's a little bit of wacky tobacco.
Two joints you smoke with me. It's like drinking 20 beers.
I didn't smoke any doobies with him.
This shit's going on YouTube, motherfucker.
I control the pot.
Shut up now, Jim. No more talking. You're distracting me.
He's strapped himself in, so when he goes, he's got to kick with those.
Yeah.
You're going across that river.
You mean that
It's
creek?
raging.
Going across the creek, okay? You want me to go
Raging.
across that river?